Welcome to Discover Agriculture. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of coconut farming. Coconuts are not just a tropical delight, they are a versatile and valuable crop grown in many parts of the world. In this video, we'll explore the step-by-step process of coconut farming, from planting to harvesting, and the benefits it brings to farmers and communities. Coconuts thrive in tropical climates with plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil. Choose a location that receives at least 2,000 hours of sunlight annually and has a consistent temperature range between 27 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius. Coastal areas are ideal due to the humidity and saline water which coconuts love. Test the soil pH, which should be between 5.5 and 7.5. If necessary, amend the soil with organic matter or lime to adjust the pH. There are different varieties of coconut trees, including tall, dwarf, and hybrid varieties. Tall varieties take longer to mature, but have a longer lifespan, while dwarf and hybrid varieties mature faster and yield more nuts. Plant the seedlings in a triangular or square pattern, with a spacing of about 7.5 meters between each tree. Dig holes 1 meter deep and wide, and mix the soil with compost or well-rotted manure. Place the seedling in the hole, cover with soil, and water thoroughly. Coconut trees require regular watering, especially during the first few years. Irrigate the trees twice a week during dry seasons and reduce frequency during the rainy season. Drip irrigation systems are effective in providing consistent moisture to the roots. Fertilize the coconut trees with a balanced mix of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Apply organic fertilizers such as cow dung, poultry manure, and green manure to enhance soil fertility. Fertilize the trees 3 to 4 times a year for optimal growth and yield. Regularly inspect the trees for pests such as mites, beetles, and caterpillars, as well as diseases like bud rot and leaf spot. Practice integrated pest management to control infestations. Maintaining good farm hygiene and proper irrigation can help prevent diseases. Coconut trees typically start bearing fruit 5 to 6 years after planting, with peak production at 15 to 20 years. Harvest coconuts every 45 to 60 days using a bamboo pole with a knife attached or by climbing the tree. Collect the nuts when they are fully mature and dry them in the sun for copra or sell them fresh. After harvesting, process the coconuts into various products like coconut oil, copra, desiccated coconut, and coconut water. Proper storage and handling are essential to maintain the quality of the products. Coconut farming is a rewarding venture that provides a sustainable source of income and numerous byproducts. By following these steps, you can cultivate healthy coconut trees and enjoy a bountiful harvest. Thanks for joining us on Discover Agriculture. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content on agriculture and beyond.